Real estate investing is not only about finding the highest monthly cash flow. The right property should make sense from multiple angles: rental income, market location, equity growth, principal paydown, and long-term portfolio potential. That's why today we're looking at 1503 Key Drive in Gardendale, Alabama. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath rental property with 1,350 square feet, sitting on approximately 0.7 acres in just north of Birmingham. Location is one of the first things that I look at when evaluating a rental property, and Gardendale offers a very strong mix of suburban appeal and proximity to major employment market. It's roughly about 12 to 13 miles from downtown Birmingham, giving residents access to the city while also living in a quieter, more residential area. That proximity matters because the greater Birmingham area has a very diverse employment base across healthcare, education, finance, utilities, logistics, and corporate services. Major employers include UAB Health, Alabama Power, Protective Life, and Shipt. For rental investors, that kind of employment base can help support long-term housing demand. So now let's look at the numbers. The purchase price for this property sits at $174,000. Now, the projected rent is anywhere between $1,300 and $1,400 per month. And for this analysis, we're using $1,350. Now, based on those numbers, the projected cap rate is 7.95%. With 25% down financing and a cash-on-cash return, that's 11.37%. After estimated financing expenses, the projected cash flow for this property equals $412 a month. But this is where it's important to kind of zoom out. Real estate investing is not only about monthly cash flow. Cash flow matters, of course, but it's just one piece of the overall return. With a rental property, you're also looking at potential appreciation, principal paydown, tax advantages, and the ability to build equity over time while a tenant pays down the loan. One property likely is not going to change your life, but one solid property followed by another, over time can create a portfolio that works for you in multiple ways. If you'd like to learn more about 1503 Key Drive in Gardendale, Alabama, set up a call with one of our portfolio strategists or just click the link below.